General dictation 60 words per minute. Get ready. Start. Dear sir, paragraph. Thank you for your letter of 6th instant in response to our advertisement. Full stop. We are happy to note that you are very much interested in our new product. Full stop. Having considered your experience in the field of sales of electrical appliances, we agree with your request and shall propose to have agreement for the sale of our new product, namely stainless steel electric stove. Full stop. We have been receiving inquiries from your state and the public has appreciated the merits of the product. Full stop. Our product is first of its kind and we expect a lot of sales for this item in the market through your sales network. Full stop. The present wholesale price for this item is rupees 400 only. We shall give you 10% discount for the purchase of 100 pieces or more at a time, subject to the usual terms such as documents through bank, sales tax extra as applicable, packing, forwarding and freight extra. Full stop. We are sending one sample by separate post parcel to you as requested in your letter. Full stop. Since our product has a good looking shape, we are sure the housewives will like this design. Full stop. Your suggestions for any changes on our product are welcome. Full stop. We are sure that you will find our proposal interesting and shall take up the sales of new items for our mutual benefits. Full stop. Thanking you and hoping to receive your early reply in the matter. Full stop. Paragraph. Yours faithfully. Stop.